Hey everyone! So I picked up these 8x16 canvases at Hobby Lobby. They had them on sale. They're nice, they're pretty much comparable to the level 2s from Artist Loft. So I want to just do 3 mini flip cups on here, and I'm going to be using some green tones. I'm using the Coat Art Dark Patina, Lucas Mint, Soho Olive Green, Craft Smart Champagne Pearl, Lucas Van Dyke Brown, some black and some white. I'm going to use this size, I believe, because I don't want to fill them all the way, because I have to flip them. So I'm just spraying them very lightly with the WD-40 silicone spray, and that comes in the black can. So I'm going to start with white. And I'll follow that with the Soho Olive Green. I'm going to use up this one. I've got just a little bit in this bottle. Clearing out the shelving. And of course I'm on my canvas, which is a no-no for me. So I'm going to move that really quick. Okay. So I need just a little bit more. And I think I'll follow that with the Champagne Pearl. And then we'll go ahead with the Van Dyke Brown. And then the Patina. Just a touch of black. And then the Mint. I'm going to try to do that again. So we have our white. I don't want to have too much white in there though. The Soho Olive Green. The Champagne Pearl. Van Dyke Brown. Coat Art Dark Patina. Just a touch of black. And the Mint. That should be plenty of paint. So I'll set these aside. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click that button below and click on the bell so you'll be notified when we upload our next video. We have lots of links below the video. You can shop with us on Amazon and Redbubble and Etsy. We have a Facebook group called the Parage Posse with Christina Welch. And I also have a Facebook art page where I do make a lot of announcements there about our channel. We have a PayPal link below if you want to sponsor our channel. We do giveaways every quarter. We are rounding out this year with just 2 months instead of 3, so we can get back on a schedule. So that drawing will be January 1st. So if you want to sponsor the channel, click the PayPal link. We are also affiliates for Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. They have a new art coat resin out there. It is phenomenal. And I have a code for you to use. It's $30 off an $80 order using the code CWA at checkout. And we have a fan mail post office box. But all of that is below in the bottom of the video here in the description box. So check it out. Okay, they're all down. It's gonna be very earthy. I love it already. I'm gonna give it a quick torch. A couple air bubbles there. I like to use my hands to catch the paint instead of just letting it flow off the canvas. But not on every painting. Some paintings you do want to just let it flow over. I'm loving this right here, so I want to try to keep that. All 3 cups exactly the same, all pour different. So remember that. It's very hard to recreate a painting that you've made before. Pretty pretty. Okay. Looks like my edges are good. So I want to balance it out now. And then I'm going to torch it some more. And on the second torch, I like to warm up the paint. And it makes the silicone come to the top. My paint is not that thick on there right now, so we may not get any new cells, but we shall see. That white is going to want to sink some more. We may get a few more cells after it starts to dry. White likes to sink because when they make white pigment, it takes a lot to make that pigment. So it makes it a heavier paint, as well as with black. So you'll notice your blacks and your whites like to sink. That's one of the reasons that we use white in the cup first, because it pushes through all the other paints and it creates cells. Let me bring it up a little bit and you can see a little closer. Kind of blah down here, but we could always embellish if it dries kind of eh. But that champagne pearl is here, which will be metallic when it dries. Pearly colored. But yeah, I like it. So thanks so much for watching. Check out all the links below, and we will see you on the next one. Bye now.